Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the 24-hour time format on the KOBO Clara Colour e-reader. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings, but to do that we're going to go to the More tab, so press More on the bottom right, then press Settings, and then we're going to go to the Date and Time section, and here we have Use 24-hour format. So you have this toggle which changes the format to 24-hour or the 12-hour. So here, as you can see, this is the current time, and if I enable it or disable it, as you can see, it changes to that option. So that's pretty much it. Once you're done, you can just exit out and your options will be saved. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.